Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. Dear viewers, Inshallahul Kareem, in this video you are going to learn Para 1 Surah Al-Baqarah ayat number 110 and 111 with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وما تقدموا لأنفسكم من خير تجدوه عند الله إن الله بما تعملون بصير. Look at the word وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ. You can see Zir before Ya Sakin. It is Ya Madda. You have to stretch Ya Madda up to 2 harakat. And Qaf is from Mustaliya letters. You have to pronounce it with thicker voice. And in the next word also Swad is a Mustaliya letter. You have to pronounce with thicker voice. Wa'atu zakah. Pronounce za with the whistle sound. And if you want to do waqf here, you have to change around ta with ha sakin. Wama tuqaddimu. Pronounce qaf with thicker voice. And you can see dal is mushaddad in this word. Dal is a qalqala letter and mushaddad. You learned in the rules when the letters of qalqala are mushaddad, you have to pronounce with emphasis. And stretch waw madda because there is pesh before waw sakin. Li anfusikum. There is fa ikhfa letter after noon sakin. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. And you can see another meme after a meme sakin. So the rule idgham shafwi will be done and gunna will be done. Min khayrin tajiduhu. There is tanween under ra, and after tanween you can see ta ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done. Indallah. You can see dal ikhfa letter after noon sakin. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done. Inna Allah. It is noon mushaddad. You have to pronounce it with thicker with gunna, and pronounce the lam of Allah's name with thicker voice because there is zabar before it. Bima ta'maluna. Pronounce ain from the middle part of your throat and stretch waw madda. Basir. Pronounce sad with thicker voice and stretch madde aris. Madde aris is done when a temporary sukoon comes after any madda letter. In this word you can see temporary sukoon on ra after ya madda. Temporary sukoon means when a letter becomes sakin because of waqf. You are making ra sakin because of waqf. So this sukoon is temporary. Next ayat. وَقَالُوا لَن يَدْخُلَ الْجَنَّةَ إِلَّا مَنْ كَانَ هُودًا أَوْ نَصَارَى تِلْكَ أَمَانِيُّهُمْ قُلْ هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. Look at the word وَقَالُوا. Pronounce qaf with thicker voice because it is a mustaliya letter. Stretch alif madda and also waw madda. Lan yadkhulal. There is ya yarmalun letter after noon sakin. The rule idgham will be done and gunna will be done. Jannata. Pronounce noon mushaddad with gunna. Illa ma kana. There is kaf ikhfa letter after noon sakin. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done. Hudan aw nasara. Stretch waw madda. There is pesh before waw sakin. Tilka amaniyuhum. Stretch alif madda after meme. Qul hatu. Pronounce qaf with thicker voice and stretch alif madda and waw madda. Burhanakum. Pronounce ra with thicker voice because there is pesh before ra sakin. In kuntum. There is kaf after nun sakin, it is ikfa. There is ta after nun sakin, it is also ikfa. You have to do gunna in ikfa. Sadiqeen. Pronounce sad and qaf with thicker voice because both are from mustalia letters. And also stretch madde aris at the end of this word. Inshallah Kareem, in the next video you will learn next ayat